Hello, I'm Jared from Jones Stephens, and these are our washing machine boxes. Today we will show you how to install our F1960 expansion style washing machine box and connect it to your water supply. In this scenario, we're using Jones Stephens PEX-A pipe. The compact design of our boxes makes them easy to install and perfect for single-family residential applications. They come in many connection styles and outlet locations and are available with or without hammer arresters. So here we have a typical laundry room rough-in, and we're using Jones Stephens PEX-A water supply lines. These boxes will work with sweat, CPVC, PEX expansion, and PEX crimp connections. To begin, position the top of the box according to your local code. This is typically 36 to 42 inches from the floor. You need to ensure the box is higher than the water level of your washing machine. You can nail or screw to the existing studs. It should be flush with the studs. Remove the test cap knockouts. Next, bring your supply lines up and connect them to the fitting using the expansion tool. Or if you prefer to crimp, this is what it looks like. Jones Stephens washing machine boxes are high quality, durable, and reliable, which makes them an easy choice. Visit jonesstephens.com for all your plumbing needs. If you need it, we got it. We hope you enjoyed this video and your installation goes smoothly. Thanks.